Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts
Arne and Carlos, and today Rob, Donnie, Susie and Fran are also joining us since they didn't yesterday.
Yeah. And look at this. A tree. My alternative Christmas tree.
Oh wow, nice.
But they're still on their branches.
And yeah, it looks really pretty cool.
This is a smart one. See? There's like these two hooks and then I took out, I thought this was around, but it was just up so many years since we did it.
Yeah, I don't remember really.
No, it was just a wire up in the start,
oh,
so
okay.
I could pull it out. And now, see, when I put it on like that, there's a Christmas star on
Very nice. And if you want to see what it looks like when it's decorated, I guess you will have to tune in December.
That's soon.
To see what we're planning. Yeah, this is the, when you watch this is November 25, which means that in 6 days, on December 1st, we will kick off our Christmas celebrations over on our YouTube channel, or actually here on our YouTube channel. And I guess that this tree will be an integral part of that. So you just have to wait and see what we have in store for you in December.
And see if it works.
I think it will work.
Because we have plans.
But we are here today because we are finalizing the heel.
Yes.
And this means that once we finalize this heel, we also finalize the whole stocking knit along. It's a little bit sad that it's done and that we won't be able to do any more knit along.
Maybe we should do another one in December.
Maybe we should.
No, we don't have time.
But we'll see what happens in December. We're very excited about December though. So you just have to wait and see. But yeah, this will conclude the knit along. If you missed the whole thing and suddenly stumbled in today, please know that you can still download the pattern for free until 11:59 p.m. on November 30th. At midnight, December 1st, the knit along will no longer be in place and the pattern will become a paid pattern. But up until then, it is free. And the reason why we wanted to do this free is to include as many as possible in our lovely knitting community, which we have down in the comments.
Yep.
So we really do hope that people have engaged and really enjoyed themselves while they've been doing the knit along. And we also hope that you have found it less stressful than what it would have been in December. Please do let us know in the comments.
Yeah. And we hope that yesterday's video was helpful when we showed how to pick up the stitches and stuff. And we have finished the heel now.
We have.
Should we show it now?
Yeah, I think we should, yeah.
So now it's finished. And you have everything in the pattern, but the reason why we started to decrease on every round after, when there's 11 stitches on the needle, each needle, then we increase every round, is because then you get a rounder heel. If it was every second, it will be a very sharp heel. And this one needs a rounder heel. Yeah. So that's why.
So make sure to follow those instructions and keep knitting in the round and keep doing your decreases. Yeah. And you should get a heel just like that. I think that this time we have clarified it and we have made it nice and clear.
We hope so.
And now you can see, if you lift up the stocking again, Arne, we can show the entire thing. Let's do that together.
So it's finished. We still have to weave in some ends.
Yeah.
And we haven't steamed it yet. So that's the finishing. That's
the finished design. A few ends to weave in, and then we've got the steaming to do. But it is pretty much done, and this is it. The Arne and Carlos 2024 knit along Christmas stocking is hereby completed.
It is finished. But look what I found.
Oh, yes.
I found this, because we have struggled hanging the sock on the fireplace.
We have, yes.
And someone told me about this. You can get these things, and I found there's actually 4 of them, but I couldn't find the 3 others.
It's a Christmas stocking hanger.
Yeah, and we have this one, and we have a snowflake and a snowman, and there's one more.
And they're heavy enough that you can put this on the mantle, and then you can just
so you don't need,
with the little hook there, you can just do that.
So you don't need a big loop if you have this one. But this was really cool. I've never heard about it before. I think it was someone on the cruise who said you can get these things to put on the
a Christmas stocking hanger to put on the mantelpiece. So look for these. We got these on Amazon, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah. I think it's cool. I didn't know this existed. So we've been struggling hanging the socks or the stocking on the
up until
fireplace.
now, and
But
now
now
it goes really well.
But we need many of these.
We do, yeah.
Because we have only
stockings.
Yeah, we have 4 of these, and I have no clue how many
Yeah,
stockings we
I
have.
know. The problem is the more stockings you have, the more difficult they are to fill.
But
That's
you
for
know,
sure.
we use them as decoration.
Still, yeah, we can fill them with fake things as well. I mean, it doesn't have to be real.
That's a good idea. You know what we should do this Christmas? We should put them on the stairs. You know what's it called? The geländer.
The rail.
The rail
stairway.
on the stairway up to second floor. That could be nice having one. But then you can't use this. Then you have to tie them on with red ribbons.
Yeah. Decorate a newly renovated hall.
Yeah, but that could be very nice if you have like small packages with beautiful paper and they pop a little bit
Stick out, yeah.
Doesn't have to be anything in there.
Yeah, we should really try that.
I think that will be a very nice hall.
Absolutely.
You got that for free.
Yeah. Okay, dear friends, this really does conclude the 2024 stocking knit along. We really hope you have enjoyed it. We hope that you have had a lot of fun in the comments. We hope you had a lot of fun doing the knit along. And we hope that you will continue enjoying the festivities with us in December.
Yeah.
And we will reveal, so we've got a competition. We're going to get to the competition now. But we just want to say that we will reveal the winners of the competition on December 29th, which is the Sunday before New Year.
Yeah.
And all will be revealed there. We will randomly select winner to win the prize.
So someone will get a New Year gift.
Yeah. So let's go to the competition. Yes. And again, thank you so much and see you in December.
Bye.